Good morning students, this is your fifth period which is social study period. So take out your book and open your page number 66. Okay, so today we will discuss about exercise. First, fill in the blanks. So let's start. Fill in the blanks. First question given, first number, blanks is also known as the Silicon Valley of India. Answer is coming Bangalore. First answer is this Bangalore. Okay. Now second question, blanks dance and blanks music are very popular in Lucknow. तो कथक एंड हिंदुस्तानी कौन सा है? कथक एंड हिंदुस्तानी. कथक एंड हिंदुस्तानी. ओके. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. सो स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, ब्लैंक्स इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज द पिंक सिटी. जयपुर कौन सा है? जयपुर. आंसर इज कमिंग जयपुर. Okay, now fourth number, Chhath Puja is the main festival of blanks. Chhath Puja कहाँ की है? पटना की. Okay, the answer is coming Patna. Okay, students. So students, here once again I am repeating this answer. Now first answer is this Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, Bangalore किसकी है? कर्नाटका की. ओके. नाउ सेकंड नंबर आंसर इज दिस कथक एंड हिंदुस्तानी. ये कहाँ का है? लखनऊ. लखनऊ इज द कैपिटल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. ओके. नाउ थर्ड नंबर आंसर इज दिस जयपुर. जयपुर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, so next answer, Patna is the capital of Bihar. Okay, it is the largest town of the state. Okay, student, complete this work. Fill in the blanks. So move on. Next exercise. Exercise B. First question number B. My first question is the capital of Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka. Option is given Kanpur, Chennai and Bangalore. Take this Bangalore. Okay. Okay. Now second number question. The capital of Uttar Pradesh. First option given Agra, second Lucknow, now third Nagpur. The answer is coming yes, Lucknow. Okay. Now third, Uttarayan festival is largely celebrated in. First option given Gujarat, second Lucknow, now third Bihar. Take this Gujarat. हो गया. Question number 4. Bara Imambara is situated in number first option Guwahati, number second option Patna, number third option Lucknow. So answer is coming Lucknow. Okay. Okay students, once again I am repeating this answer. Number first answer is this Bangalore. Okay. Number second answer is this Lucknow. Number third answer is this Gujarat. Number fourth answer is this Lucknow. So students, now next is activity corner. Okay. Complete the table given below. First city name is Bangalore. Right here, Bangalore. State name is Karnataka. Right here, Karnataka. Okay. And language Kannada. Okay. Now next is industry. Industry कौन सी है? Electronic goods. Electronic goods and computer. Okay. And next is festival. Festival is Dussehra. Okay. Now next city name is number first Bangalore. Number second is Lucknow. Okay. Lucknow. Which state name? Uttar Pradesh. Right here, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And language Hindi and Urdu. Language name is Hindi and Urdu. Okay. And industry, textile industry. Industry name is textile and handicraft industry. Okay. And next is festival. Holi, Diwali, then Dussehra. Okay. Now next city name is. Next is third number Chandigarh. Okay. Chandigarh. State name is Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana. Okay. And language name is Punjabi. Right here, Punjabi. Okay. And industry name is food product. Food product and metal. Okay. And festival name is Guru Parv. Guru Parv, Holi, Diwali. Okay. Once again I am repeating. Number first city name is Bangalore, which is state name Karnataka. Language name Kannada. And industry name electronic goods and computer industry. Okay, IT industry. And festival name is Dussehra. Okay. Now second city name is Lucknow, which is state name Uttar Pradesh. Language name is Hindi and Urdu. Okay. And industry name is textile industry. Okay. And festival name is Diwali and Dussehra. Okay. Now next is Chandigarh, which is state name Punjab and Haryana. Language name this Punjabi and industry name this food product and metal product. Okay. And festival name this Guru Parv, Holi and Dussehra. Okay, students. Now next 4 number. Students here 4 number city Jaipur, which is state name Rajasthan. Jaipur. State name Rajasthan. And language Hindi and Rajasthani. Language name is Hindi and Rajasthani. Okay. Industry metal, handicraft. Okay. And festival name is Teej, Diwali and then Holi. Okay, students. Now next city name is Hyderabad. State name is Telangana. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And language name Telugu. And industry name is computer. And festival name is Eid. Holi and Diwali. Okay, students, I am repeating. 4 number city Jaipur, which state name Rajasthan. Language name is Hindi and Rajasthani. Industries कौन सी है? Metal product and handicraft. And festival name is Teej and Diwali and Holi. Okay. Now second city name is Hyderabad, which state name Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Language name is Telugu. Industry name is computer, IT industry. Okay. And festival name is Eid, Holi and Diwali. Okay, student. So complete this work and note down the homework. Exercise of chapter 13. Okay. So student, today's class is over and thank you for the attendance.